Hello everyone. Your second unit consists of topic sampling design. Okay. So what is meant by sample? So you know, to perform any research, what we need? We need data. And it is not possible to work on whole data. We have to grab some limited amount of data from the whole data. We call it as sampling, and we have to select some kind of module or some kind of design, that is nothing but sampling design. Okay. Now implications of a sample design. A sample design is a definite plan for obtaining a sample from a given population. Now what is meant by population here? Population is nothing but a huge data or whole data, but it is not practically possible to work on huge data. What we need? We have to select some useful data or some relevant data which will give you accurate results. So that is nothing but sampling. So sampling design is a method for obtaining definite plan. It is a definite plan for obtaining a sample from a given population. One more definition is given here. It is a procedure to select items from the given sample. Okay. So as I told you, you have to select useful data from the whole available data. And then there are many sample designs from which researcher has to choose. So various ways of selecting the samples are available, and out of those sampling designs, one design which will be relevant for the work, that will be chosen by the design has to be chosen by the researcher. Some designs are relatively more precise and easier to apply than other. So how to select the research design? So research design should be selected, sample design should be selected based on the reliability and appropriate results. Researcher must select or prepare a sample design which should be reliable and appropriate for his research study. So what you have to do? You have to select research sample design according to your research topic.